Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shravani and I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about planning a trip to Leh Ladakh. Ladakh is a beautiful union territory of India which borders both Pakistan and China. Due to this, there is political sensitivity in the area and therefore a high military presence as well. But don't worry, hold your horses. You can still plan an amazing trip to Ladakh with help from travel agents who often have really good links to local homestays, hotels, and cab drivers. So ditch your misconceptions, pack your bags, and let's go plan a trip to Ladakh. Hey, hi guys, we're currently on day 4 of our trip and we're at the top of Kardungla Pass. The altitude is really high. It's 18,000 feet above sea level, which means that it's really difficult to breathe up here. So I recommend that, and in fact everybody recommends that if you come up here, do not stay for more than 10 minutes. Take your pictures, enjoy a quick view of everything and dip, because otherwise, no. No, Avada Kedavra.
Pericardium, some shit, no, bro.
No, Wingardium Leviosa.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Leviosa. The icicles.
Okay, you want some?
What are you doing, Arush?
Huh? Bro, my foot went so much.
He's a little model. Oh, look at him go. Hi, so we've just come down from Kardungla Pass and we're eating food right now. One of the best things about these Pahadi trips is the fact that you don't really go to like super luxurious restaurants. You stop at like dhabas like this and you order like amazing Maggi and lemon tea. Monastery right now. This is the map. Our monastery is situated on a hill, so you have to keep walking up to reach different floors of the monastery. I'm gonna go down and like continue because my lungs are gonna cave in 2 minutes. But look at the view behind me. We went into the internal parts of the monastery, and this is a temple within the monastery which literally radiated peace. My family and me, we went in and sat and meditated until we met a monk who's really lovely, and he hosted us with coffee and biscuits. This is actually butter coffee.
अमूल बटर दोनों मिक्स करके होते हैं इसमें फिर थोड़ा सा नमक होता है इसमें शुगर नहीं रहते
नमक होता है So we've just left from the monastery now, and I think we are driving through what is known as Nubra Valley. So it's like a really stony terrain and it's surrounded entirely by mountains. You can see.
Welcome to 100 years old hotel.
What's the name? La Rimon. Huh? It feels surreal that the mountains are literally all around us. Walking to the tree house right now. Ayush, show us where the tree house is.
It's in front of Aditya. There. Yeah.
We're at the tree house right now and we're going to climb it. Really? Yeah. New friend.
The camera is literally steaming up because of how hot it is.
Isn't it hot? No. They were at Ensa Monastery. It's a really long climb, and it's kind of a steep climb as well. Hello guys, we're currently at Murgi Falls. It's at the back. I'm gonna make sure to go up closer and show you a view of it. But basically these waterfalls are falls that are at the highest elevation in the mountains. So it's really cool to see it in such a setting. So those are the falls. There's honestly not too much to see here. But yeah, it's just cool I guess because it's in the mountain. The thing that must be said is how fascinating it is to notice how they've kind of paved the roads through the mountains. Like it's very difficult because it's a very dangerous terrain to be kind of sculpting roads through, and they've done it with such skill. I don't know what animal this is, but it was heckin' cute. I'm just gonna call it like a fatter version of a hamster. If anybody knows what it's actually called, please let me know, but it was adorable. Guys, we have arrived at Pangong Lake. Just look at the beauty behind me. Multicolors, like different shades of blue and green. And I think it snowed a little bit as well. Cameraman Ayush and I are freezing our asses off to get this view. So please like. We're camping by the banks of Pangong Lake. Those are our tents that we're walking to right now. This is inside the tent. This is the bathroom inside the tent. Ayush, get out. Shady looking creature next to me right now is my mom. It's really cold.